In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. This method is perfect for beginners who want to learn WordPress without spending money on hosting and a domain right away. The best part? You can create an entire website on your computer, experiment with different designs, and once you're happy with it, you can later move it to a live hosting server. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First, we need to download WordPress. I've added the download link in the description below. Simply visit the official WordPress website and download the latest version of WordPress. Now, the WordPress setup has started downloading. We'll need one more software called XAMPP. It allows us to create a local server environment on our computer so WordPress can run without hosting. Open a new tab and search for XAMPP. Open official website. Here, click on Download for Windows button, and its setup file will start downloading in few seconds. Now just wait until both files downloads. Once both WordPress and XAMPP have been downloaded, we can move on to the installation process. Open the XAMPP installer to launch it. You may see a warning message during installation. Just click OK and continue. Now, keep clicking Next and proceed with the installation. I'm installing it on the C drive, but you can choose another location if you prefer. The installation process may take a few minutes, so simply wait until it finishes. And there we go. XAMPP has been installed. Now, let's prepare the WordPress files. Locate the WordPress zip file that you downloaded earlier and extract it. Open the extracted folder. Inside, you will see a WordPress folder. Copy it. Next, open your C drive. Then open the XAMPP folder. Inside it, you'll find a folder called htdocs. Open it and simply paste the copied WordPress folder into the htdocs folder. Once the copy process is complete, we're ready for the next step. Open the Start menu and search for XAMPP Control Panel and launch it. Inside the Control Panel, click Start next to Apache. After that, click Start next to MySQL. Both services should now show a green status, indicating they're running successfully. Now, click the Admin button beside MySQL to launch it. This will open PHP-MyAdmin in your browser. On the left side, click New. Now enter a database name. I'm going to call mine WordPress. Then click Create. That's it. Our database is now ready. You can close the browser tab. Keep the XAMPP control panel running in the background, because WordPress will only work locally while Apache and MySQL are running. Open your browser and type localhost/WordPress. Then press Enter. After pressing Enter, you'll see the WordPress setup screen. Choose your language and continue. Now, click Let's Go. Now, it's time to set up your website. First, enter database name. This will be the name you entered in the database. Add root for username, keep other things as it is, and click Submit. Now, click Run the installation. Now, it's time to set up your website. Enter your site title, admin, username, password, and email address. Make sure you choose a strong password because you'll use these credentials to log in to your WordPress dashboard later. Once everything is filled out, click Install WordPress. After a few seconds, WordPress will be installed successfully. Click Login. Make sure to save this address anywhere, because you have to enter this address in your browser. Whenever you have login to your WordPress dashboard, enter the username and password you just created. And that's it. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can install themes, add plugins, create pages, publish blog posts, and build your website completely offline. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.